Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on virtual machines with VMware step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current virtual machine usage. Identify which workloads are essential and which can be scaled down. Consider consolidating multiple virtual machines onto fewer, larger ones. Utilize VMware's built-in features for resource allocation. Enable Distributed Resource Scheduler to optimize workload distribution. Take advantage of VMware's snapshots to save states before making changes. Regularly archive any unused snapshots to free up storage space. Implement power management settings to optimize energy consumption. Schedule virtual machines to power off during non-peak hours. Use VMware's capacity planning tools to analyze usage trends. Regularly review and adjust resource allocations based on performance metrics. Make use of VMware's vMotion for live migration to balance loads. Consider using VMware Cloud Services for hybrid environments. Review licensing options to ensure you're on the best plan. Utilize automation tools within VMware to streamline operations. Monitor your environment for underutilized resources regularly. This proactive management will lead to significant savings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.